Okay, so we finished all of our plumbing and now we're ready to turn our water back on. And so if you remember, this is for our shower. And so obviously cold water and hot water, these are our new shut-off valves. And so just slowly turn on. What I like to do is don't turn it on full blast. This is one way to check for leaks, is just turn it on maybe halfway and slowly ease things on, and then go upstairs and check to see if there are any leaks, and then you can go ahead and turn it on full blast. And so and then go ahead and test everything, run some water through the pipes for about 15 minutes. That'll clean out any particles, any dust particles or anything like that, and then you'll be good to go. Okay, so this was another valve that we turned off. This was a hot water heater, and so same thing with the other valves. Just slowly turn this one on, and then go check to see if you have any leaks. And then you can go ahead and turn it on full blast. Okay, so now to turn on our water main. So if you remember, we found our water main. It was right in the basement in this very cool little shelf cabinet area. Like I said, yours could be underneath the house. It could be across the street. So wherever it is, find it, remember where it is, and then I'll come back and turn it on. So same thing, we're going to want to turn this one on a little bit slowly. This is water to the entire house, and so what I like to do is turn it on maybe a quarter or halfway, test all the pipes, and then turn it on full blast.
Thanks for watching our video. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button so you can get updated on all our newest videos. Also, go ahead and click the links below so you can see our social media profiles as well as our website.